tell you this right now. Trust me, your performance is gonna move from 0 to 100 fast and quick. They call this the performance strong back punch.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey, my Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle today, it's all about some strong back punch. But before we go in the video, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't touched subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle movement. Well, with no further ado, guys, strong back punch, strong back in your. I already know, you never know what is coming next. You never know, because we say freestyle and we say adventures and we say freestyle, you know what I mean? So right here now on my table right here, I have a bunch of stuff going on right here. As you can see, I have pumpkin, I have Irish mash, I have Guinness, I have Supligen, I have oats, I got vanilla, I got rose almond, and I got peanut. A bag of things are going on the table. So when you see that, you know, so some blending and we're going on some boiling, and you know what I mean? So that one I call the strong back. Yeah, and we talk about strong back, we're talking about the thing them will make you, you know what I mean? So just stick and stay, guys, while I make up the strong back Irish mash pumpkin juice. The one you got wicked, stay tuned. Freestyle, so right here I have the Irish mash. Right, and you know the Irish mash come from the sea, so you know that salt is gonna be on it and sun is gonna be on it. So you wanna make sure you wash your Irish mash properly before you start using it. Freestyle, so this is the process, you know what I mean? Yes, so this is the Irish mash right here on the stove. You know what I mean? I'm gonna let that boil for probably like about 15 minutes. And over here I have some pumpkin on the stove as well. I'll let it cook for probably about 10 minutes. So just stay tuned, guys. Strong back in your back. Freestyle, so you see the Irish mash? It's boiling and it's getting thick. So that thickness there is spelled chubber. So the Irish mash is now completely boiled. I'm gonna go ahead and strain it. See that freestyle? Thick. Can't it? Yes, freestyle. So I will now go ahead and throw the Irish mash in the blender. As you can see for yourself, it's really thick and nice. See that? Very thick. See? Yeah, man. Trouble. After you put the Irish mash in the blender, I put some pumpkin. Some pumpkin in. After I put the pumpkin, I put some nutmeg. Nutmeg. Then after I put the nutmeg, I'm going to put like about 3 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Just 1, 2. So I put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in it. And right here I have some rose and almond. I put 1 teaspoon of this in it. Teaspoon of rose and almond. Then right here I have some almond essence. I put like half teaspoon of this in it. Guys, you can smell the vanilla, the nutmeg, the rose almond, everything just combined together. And I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. Then after that, I'm going to put a Supligen in it. Supligen, I'm going to put 1 in it. Then, right here I have some raw peanut. I'm just going to put like a handful of peanut in it. tablespoon of peanut. Then it's time to blend. So guys, after blending, I will throw it in our container. You can see nice and thick. See that? Nice and thick. I will now go ahead and do a second blend. The second blend, I'm going to put some oatmeal in it. So I have the oatmeal. Then after adding the oatmeal, I will add some Guinness. Probably like half bottle of the Guinness. I could use the full bottle, but no. Then after that, I'm gonna add some rum cream. Some Sanchez rum cream. I will also go ahead now and add some flaxseed. See? Put small amount of this in, I don't want too much in it. Okay guys, so in this blend I have the oatmeal, the flaxseed and the Guinness. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I will now go ahead and sweeten with some sweetened condensed milk. Guys, as you can see for yourself, it's nice and thick. That's why I tell you that this drink is chubble. Irish mass, pumpkin, rum cream, flaxseed, Guinness, you name it, pumpkin. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. You know what you call the real strong, but look at this. See? Nice, lovely, thick, smells good. Yeah, so the one you know is for the man them. The woman them can't drink it, you know, but I'm mostly for the man them, you know what I mean? Yo, trust me guys. Yo, so guys, if you're watching this video, remember to try this mix, subscribe to the channel, and tell me thanks later. Trust me guys, when you drink this, I'm gonna tell you this right now, trust me, your performance is gonna move from 0 to 100 fast and quick. They call this the performance strong back punch. Look at that. Wow. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. Guys, remember, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you're watching and not yet subscribers yet. You know what I mean? I need all the support I can get for this movement. And without you guys, this movement is not possible. And I must say guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you who watch my video, subscribe to my channel. Guys, it's a blessing in disguise. Trust me, I really appreciate it all. So just keep on supporting the movement, freestyle adventure. I said before, you never know what next is coming, because we just freestyle and just bring the content into you guys. I'm gonna taste it. Wow. Wow. Freestyle, this is it. Put some more nutmeg in it. And mix. I will also go ahead and put the rest of Guinness in it. So I use 1 bottle of Guinness instead of half bottle. Strong back peeps. See? Go ahead guys, pour it in a container, put it in the fridge for it to cool. Now look at this. Nice and thick guys. Freestyle Nation, this is it. Irish Mass Pumpkin Strongback, guys. This is one of the nicest things I've ever had in a long time. It tastes good, it's thick, it's just right. Now guys, remember, when you're drinking this, drink and drink responsibly. If you live alone, don't drink it. I am warning you, if you live by yourself, don't drink this. As always guys, remember, like, share and comment. You know what I mean? If you haven't yet subscribers yet guys, feel free to hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now, I'm about to go ahead and dive. Freestyle, trust me. Original Strongback, freestyle Strongback. You guys, so it's a very nice punch, tastes really good, and for you guys, it's really good for you. You know what I mean? It make you know what I mean? So guys, if you want to try this punch, right, I will leave the ingredients in the description, so you can go and try it out for yourself. You know what I mean?